Sum number 5. Find the amount of bill for the following interstate transaction of goods or services. GST is 18%. Quantity, number of items given, MRP for each item, and discount percentage. Therefore, quantity 35, 47, 20, MRP for each quantity 420, 600, 350, total MRP 35 into 420, 14, 700, 47 into 600, 28, 200, 20 into 350, 7000. Discount percentage of each is given, so therefore discounted price of this will be just divide by 10 because 10% is there, so 1470. These also divide by 10, 2820. This divide by 10 and multiply by 2, so 1400. Subtract it from total MRP, so 14,700 minus 1470 is 13,230. 28,200 minus 2,820 is 25,380. 7,000 minus 1,400 is 5,600, and add the total selling price. Since it is interstate, so IGST, which is 18% of the selling price. 18% means 18 upon 100 into the first number, that is 13230, that is equals to 2381.4. 18% of the selling price is 18 upon 100 into 25380, that is 4568.4, and 18% means 18 upon 100 into the third selling price, that is 5600, is 1008. So I have written and added. Amount of bill is total selling price plus total IGST, that is 44210 plus 7957.80 is 52,167.80. Sum number 6. Find the amount of bill for the following intrastate transaction of goods or services. MRP is given for the goods, discount percentage, and CGST percentage for each one is given. Therefore, MRP we have written in this way, discount each percent and CGS percentage. Therefore, now discounted value 30% of 12,000. 30% means 30 upon 100 into 12,000, that is 3,600. 20% of 15,000. 20 upon 100 into 15,000 is 3,000. 30% of 9,500. So 30 upon 100 into 9,500 is 2850. 40% of 18,000, that is 40 upon 100 into 18,000, that is 7,200. 7,200. The selling price will be MRP minus discounted price. So 12,000 minus 3,600, 8,400. 15,000 minus 3,000, 12,000. 9,500 minus 2,850 is 6,650. 18,000 minus 7,200 is 10,800, and add all the selling price. Now CGST is given for each. So for this one it is 6% of selling price, 9% of selling price, 14% of selling price, and 2.5% of selling price. We will calculate the value. CGST and SGST, the value will be same, and then we will add. 6% of 8,400 is 504. 9% of 12,000 is 1080. 14% of 6650 is 931. 2.5% of 10,800 is 270. Amount of bill is equals to selling price plus GST plus SGST. So total selling price is 37,850 plus 2,785 plus 2,785, that is 43,420. Seventh sum, find the amount of bill for the interstate transaction. Same question, sixth section, only interstate transaction. MRP is given, discount percentage and CGS percentage is given. So first we will write MRP and discount percent. We will find the discounted value, then selling price, okay, and then we will just double this number because it is interstate transaction. So IGST 6%, year 12, 9, 18, 14 is here, 28 and 5. MRP is given, each discount percentage. From above question only you can write the discount value, okay, and selling price and add the selling price. Only the difference is here IGST is 12%, 18, 28 and 5. So we have to find 12% of 8,400, that is 1008, 18% of 12,000, 2160, 28% of 6650, 1862, 5% of 10,800, that is 540, and total is 5,570. Amount of bill is selling price, total selling price plus IGST, that is 37,850 plus 5,570, that is rupees 43,420. Sum number 8. A dealer in Mumbai supplied an item at the following prices to a dealer in Delhi. Find the total amount of the bill. Rate per piece, quantity, number of pieces, discount percentage and SGST. Solution. Rate per piece in rupees we have written, quantity, number of piece, discount percentage, okay. First we will find total MRP, that is 18 rate into quantity, 180 into 10, 1800, 260 into 20, 5200, 310 into 30, 9300, 175 into 20 is 3500. The discount net means 0%, so it will be the same selling price. So 1800, 20% of 5200, so 20 upon 100 into 5200 is 1040. So MRP 5200 minus discount 1040 is equals to 4160 selling price. Same way, net discount percent is net, so selling price is the same. Here 30% of the MRP, so 30%, 30 upon 100 into 3500 is 1050. Discount price MRP minus discount is equals to selling price 2450, and or add all the selling price, we will get total selling price. IGST is 18%, so 18% of 1800, 18 upon 100 into 1800, that is 324. 18 into 100 of 4160, that is 748.8. 18% means 18 upon 100 into 9300 is 1674. 1674. 18 upon 100 into 2450 is 441. So all IGST total is 3187.80. Answer: amount of bill is selling price plus IGST, that is 17,710 plus 3187.8 is equals to rupees 20,897.80.